If you're currently driving a beater, I want you to pay attention. You might pull up to the light, look over to your left, and see a really nice car. And they may look back at you, and in that moment, you might get a little self-conscious because you're in a beater. But understand, you have a freedom that they don't. You have a financial freedom. They have to make a car payment every month, and you have a car that's all paid off. Enjoy that. If you decide you want to get into the market and get yourself a newer car, just make sure you understand, are you buying a car for transportation or are you buying a car because it's going to be your identity? There's no wrong answer to that question. Just make sure you don't buy a car to try to impress others.